Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we have another tutorial on how to transfer your Android devices via Bluetooth. That you can share files like such as music, photos, videos. So first of all, you need to go to your setting. So you want to go to system preference right here. And then you're gonna look for sharing folder right here. And then right here, you wanna go ahead and click on Bluetooth sharing. All right. And be sure to turn on your Bluetooth. If it's off, you need to turn it on. And basically that's what you need to do on your MacBook, your MacBook Air, your MacBook Pro, MacBook Mini, okay? So you could transfer your files through Bluetooth, so you don't need to connect any of the data cable. So after that, then we're gonna go to your smartphone, and I'm gonna do the screen recording on there. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to start recording on my phone now. So right now you want to go to your gallery on your smartphone. But be sure to turn on your Bluetooth. Make sure it is on. If it's off, turn it back on. Okay. And then right now you're going to go to open your gallery, and then just select on a picture. Let's see. For example, this picture, I want to send it. And then you're going to click on the share icon right here on the bottom of the screen. And then after that, you're gonna select Bluetooth, and then you're gonna select which laptop. Mine is Trisha MacBook Air. Okay. And if it's asking for on your PC, or if it's asking your MacBook Air to accept or to connect, allow to connect, make sure you press connect. So after that, then the picture will be downloaded to your download folder. So let's go ahead and move on to the computer, and then show you guys real quick. All right, so we're gonna go to download folder. So unfortunately, her download folder is not on the taskbar right there. Let's go and open this, and then click on downloads. So this will be the first file that is has been downloaded today. And as you can see, this is the one that we just transfer the files to. Okay, and then that's it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.